Welcome to the APEX Barrett Belt Squat unboxing and first look. In this video, we're going to cover the assembly, the how to use, and everything else you need to know about the APEX Barrett Belt Squat. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, but let's jump right into it. Some cards, the instructions, the handle, the bolts, and then we have the main assembly right here. Insert frame, and that covers that. Let's go ahead and get into the squat belt box. This includes a carabiner as well. All right, here we have the mag pins, we have the plate spacers, we have the springs for the kickstand, retention bolt for the handle, some tools that you'll need, and then the mainframe bolts. To assemble this, you may need to loosen these two up first and then slide this loading bar in as such. Ensure that the hole here is on the bottom so that I can lock into the bench, and then take your bolts, insert them. You can lock this in place like so. And then tighten everything up. Next, we'll go ahead and install the handle. Drop the handle in like this, pull back, lock it, throw the retention bolt in, and then secure that in place. So the handle is fully installed. Next, let's lock that in place with the mag pin, like so. Then we'll take the spring, connect that. Make sure that the spring is fully seated on the slots. And that completes the assembly for the belt squat. Now, to set the belt squat up, you'll set the bench at 15 degrees. Place the belt squat in like so. Tighten this up. Kickstand like that. And then you'll want to lower the bench into the -10-degree position. From here, we'll go ahead and throw on a bumper plate. We can throw a plate spacer on. Boom. Another plate. And we are rocking. Now, you can take your belt, the carabiner, pick one of the many available positions, and then once you're ready to go, clip in like so and get lifting. Kickstand up, just the handle to whatever height you prefer. You can even adjust the angle of that, right? So whatever feels best for you, you have options. And then we'll just do a belt squat. Then when you're done with your set, kickstand down, drop it, unclip, and you're good to go. Some other exercises that you're able to perform with this are RDLs. So you can lower the handle down, lock it into position, lift up, kickstand up, and then perform like such. Now, when you're done with the Barrett Belt Squat, you can lower the handle. You can take the plates off. Lower the loading bar, lock that into position. Raise this up, kickstand up. Remove from the bench, and then just like so, the belt squat goes into vertical storage when you're done. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to check this video out. If you have any questions or comments, please drop that down below. But in the meantime, I will see you later.